Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EduStar's online class, and you're watching Class 4 Science. Today we will see Lesson 5 Food and Digestion. This is Part 3. Here we are going to discuss about let us know more about food and digestion, quiz time, and book exercise. First one, let us know more about food and digestion. First one, milk is a complete food. It contains proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. 3/4 of our body weight is water. We lose a lot of water as sweat or through urine from the body. If the amount of water in our body becomes less, we feel thirsty. Water helps our body to work well and maintain our body temperature. We need to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. The large intestine is shorter but broader than the small intestine, and hence the name. The next one, our body needs a very little amount of fat. Excess fat is harmful to us. It makes us obese and cause many diseases. Adults also need protein daily to maintain the proper functioning of muscles and bones in the body. Proteins help in the healing of wounds in any part of the body. Iron is another important mineral that we get from red meats, fish, shellfish, eggs, cereals and grains. Iron helps in blood formation and utilization of energy to do the activities. What is wrong with the junk food? Junk foods are the foods that have very low nutritional value. They have high fat, sugar and salt, and very little protein, vitamins and minerals in them. Once in a while we can eat them for taste, but not on a regular basis. So we should avoid junk food. Did you hear any sound from your stomach? That is called rumbling sound. The rumbling sound in your stomach occurs when there is no food in the stomach, and the stomach and intestine contract. Every packed food item has its manufacturing date printed on its label. It also has a date that is best before, which tells till when it can be consumed. Next time you go to buy any food item, check the date and do not buy if the best before date has been passed away. This is applicable for medicines also. Did you know, kids, what are the natural preservatives? Sugar, salt, oil are natural preservatives. This is the time for quiz. Are you ready, kids? Here we have some different types of questions. We will discuss the answer. First one, label the parts in the digestive system. Here we have 8 parts. You have to label it and I will explain that. First one, mouth. So the digestion will start from the mouth itself. Next one, that is called food pipe or esophagus. It is the pipeline, the food from the mouth through this pipe to the stomach. The next part is liver. Next one is stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. The next one is choose the correct options for each of the following. First one, which of this is essential for people who do more physical work? Proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, and roughage. Which one is the correct answer? Carbohydrates, because carbohydrates only essential for the people who do more physical work. The next one, proteins are also known as iron-rich food, bodybuilding food, fiber-rich food, and none of this. Proteins are also known as bodybuilding food. Good. Which of these, when eaten in excess, will increase the body weight? Fats, proteins, carbohydrates, and vitamins. So, fats only eaten excess, you will increase the body weight. Drying is the method of preserving food by adding salt, adding sugar, freezing, and removing water. Drying is the method of preserving food by removing water. Posture refers to the body's position, bones, muscles, or none of this. Posture refers to the body's position. Very good. The next one, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Food contains dash which help us to grow and stay healthy. Nutrients or preservatives. Preservatives are to make the food as longer, but the answer is nutrients. Food items that are rich in dash are called energy giving food, carbohydrates, and vitamins. So vitamins are protective foods. The answer is carbohydrates. Oil, butter, ghee, cream, and cheese are rich in proteins or fat or fats. Roughage is the dash present in some green vegetables, fruits, and cereals. Fiber or nutrients. Roughage is the fiber. The process of treating food to prevent it from getting spoiled is called balanced diet or preservation. What is balanced diet? We need to take equal amount of nutrients, right? That is called balanced diet. So the answer is preservation. The next one, match the following. Column A, you have the types of nutrients. Column B, the uses of the nutrients. The first one, carbohydrates, match with potato and sweet potato. Fats, butter. Vitamins or prevent from diseases. That's why we are calling that protective food. Okay. Preservation, prevent food from getting spoiled. Calcium. Calcium help in formation of bones and teeth. Did you understand, kids? The next one, here you have some pictures. You have to say what type of food is this. First one, what is the first one? Oil. Oil is the energy giving food. The next one, here you have pulses, is called bodybuilding food. Here you have some carbohydrates like potatoes, rice, wheat is there. So it is called energy giving food. Fruits and vegetables are protective food. Meat and fish are called bodybuilding food. Next we will see about the book exercise. Students, all of you take your science book and open page number 43. Here you have some different types of questions. First one, fill in the blanks. There are 8 questions are there. First one, dash in the digestive system connects the mouth to the stomach? We already discussed that. What is the answer? Food pipe. The second one, does soften food in our mouth? Saliva only soften the food in our mouth. Digestion is completed in the dash intestine. Digestion is completed in the small intestine. The three glands that help to complete digestion are, what are they? Liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Solids move from the large intestine into rectum. The liver secretes dash which digests dash. The liver secretes bile which digests fats. Digestion begins in the mouth. Undigested solid waste is thrown out from the anus. All of you note down, children. Just write the answers in your book with the pencil. The next one, in the same page you have state true or false. The first one, digestion begins in the mouth. That is the correct answer here. That is given. Digestion begins in the stomach. Which one is the correct? It is a false answer. Food moves down the esophagus into the small intestine. So food moves down from the esophagus into directly stomach. So it is a false answer. Food passes from the small intestine into large intestine. Yes, it is a true answer. Undigested solid waste are present in the rectum. It is a correct answer. Food should be overcooked. Is it correct? No. Food should not be overcooked. It is enough if we drink a glass of water every day. No, you have to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. So it is false answer. Vitamins are needed in large amount by our body. Yes, it is a correct answer. Preservatives help germs to grow well. No, it is false answer. Vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Yes, it is a correct answer. Cheese and milk have lot of proteins. It is a correct answer. Then take page number 44. Here you have give one word for the following. First one, bodybuilding food, proteins. Energy giving food, you can write any one, carbohydrates. Protective food, vitamins and minerals. The digestive liquid in the mouth is called, what is that? Saliva. Making food last longer is called, that process is called preservation. Students, just note down the book exercise only in a book. No need to write anything in your classwork. Thank you, students. Have a good day.